Hello guys, in today's video we'll go over this particular trade and how I framed the setup using the easy money model. So as we said, we are only going to search for setup after 9 a.m. So this is the 8:45 candle, and we are going to look for the bias on the 50 minutes time frame. This is the 8:45 candle. This is not a strong bearish or bullish candle, so we are going to wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close. We had a bearish candle here. So once you know the direction, the next thing you're going to set for is target. So what's the price likely to reach for? So let's move to the 1 hour. We have this lows here plus this fair value gap on the 1 hour. As already known, a fair value gap is also a draw on liquidity and price move to liquidity. So we are going to use the 1 hour fair value gap as our potential target. So now we know our direction and we know our target. The next thing is to switch to the 5 minutes to see whether we can find a fair value gap. So there is no fair value gap on the 5 minutes. So let's switch back to the 15 minutes, and we had this fair value gap here. As you can see, this huge fair value gap. So we are going to wait for price to return to this level before we search for the trade. And as you can see, price didn't get into our 50-minute fair value gap, and then price dropped below this low here, leaving a fair value gap behind. So this is the fair value gap you are going to use as your entry. Your stop loss just above this swing high, and you target the 1 hour fair value gap. So let's see how it plays out. Price went straight into our entry, and then it drops, went back up higher again, and then straight to our target. As you can see, very simple trade. Very simple trade. So you can join my mentorship by messaging me on Telegram at @cyber, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching this on TikTok, please follow the channel. Thank you guys.